Welcome back to the Sharp Bullets channel. This time the United States Armed Forces have succeeded in making a very sophisticated and modern aircraft. This is the V-280 VALOR, a space monster replacement for the UH-60 Blackhawk. Textron's V-280 VALOR, chosen as the U.S. Army Light Long-Range Assault aircraft. Textron Inc, a Textron company, has been awarded the development contract for the U.S. Army's Future Long-Range Assault Aircraft (FLRAA) program. The V-280's unmatched combination of proven tilt-rotor technology, coupled with innovative digital engineering and an open architecture, offers the Army outstanding operational versatility for its vertical lift fleet. The above facts were proven in flight tests by the Army's Future Long-Range Assault Aircraft (FLRAA) program, and as a result, the V-280 VALOR is a very superior aircraft, even for many years to come, so that this space monster will later replace the UH-60 Blackhawk aircraft. The V-280 progressed through design, manufacturing, and more than 3 years of rigorous flight testing that provided extensive data validating the technical and operational advantages of the aircraft for the long-range assault mission. The V-280 is designed for a cruising speed of 280 knots, 320 miles per hour, 520 kilometers/h, hence the name V-280-43. It has a top speed of 300 knots, 345 miles per hour, 556 kilometers/h, a range of 2,100 nautical miles, 2,400 miles, 3,900 kilometers, and an effective combat range of 500 to 800 mi, 580 to 920 miles, 930 to 1,480 kilometers. The wings are made of a single section of carbon fiber reinforced polymer composite, reducing weight and production costs. The V-280 will have a crew of 4 and be capable of transporting up to 14 troops. Dual cargo hooks will give it a lift capacity to carry at 10,000 pounds, 4,500 kilograms, M777 at 2 howitzer, while flying at a speed of 150 knots, 170 miles per hour, 280 kilometers/h. The fuselage is visually similar to that of the UH-60 Blackhawk medium lift helicopter. When landed, the wing is more than 7 feet, 2.1 meters from the ground, allowing soldiers to egress easily out of 2 6-foot, 1.8 meters, wide side doors and door gunners to have wide fields of fire. This is the advantage of the Bell V-280 VALOR, which has managed to upgrade itself from previous aircraft. Number 1. Purpose-built to revolutionize the reach and effectiveness of each mission, while offering unmatched maneuverability, reduced downtime, and elevated mission safety. With over twice the speed and range as current weapon systems, the Bell V-280 VALOR is the proven long-range maneuver solution. Number 2. Combining the speed and range of the turboprop with advanced agility greater than a traditional helicopter, the Bell V-280 VALOR offers better flight performance and lifecycle sustainability. This weapon system was purpose-built to revolutionize U.S. Army overmatch in multi-domain operations. Number 3. The Bell V-280 has proven its raw control power in pitch, roll, and yaw maneuvers, performing at the highest standards for agility. Validated by numerous flight tests, the aircraft delivers the transformational agility warfighters need for mission success. Number 4. Fixed engine nacelle design means reduced manufacturing costs and better performance, maintainability, and sustainability, designed to reduce warfighter workload. Number 5. With unparalleled mission equipment, pilots will operate in challenging visual environments and provide the ground forces with situational awareness en route and on the objective.